Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video some hidden secret codes at the Samsung Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus. So for the hidden secret codes we need the dialer. You will have it on the phone icon. And let us start now with the software version. So this star hash 1 2 3 4 hash, and now we have the software version of the phone. Okay, then let us come now to the next one. It is the software and the hardware informations. So star hash 12580 star 369 hash, and we have now the software and hardware information. Okay, and let us come now to a very interesting mode, the test mode. So you can test your phone with, so star hash 0 star hash. Okay, as I said, you can test your phone with, so let us test the lights first. Red looks good, green looks good, blue screen looks good as well. The receiver, we hear that noise as well at your phone. There's no mosquito. Go back with error, double tap. The vibration, good vibration. And the mega cam, so the rear camera, always double tap to come back. The grip sensor, double tap on the arrow to come back. Then the sensor, you have also the gyroscope sensor, the magnetic sensor, the light sensor, also, if it's dark or not. So the proximity sensor. Let's go back, double tap on the arrow as well. And now the touch. So this is an interesting game. The ones who follow Phones and More knows what it's about. So it is, you have to fill all these blocks here. If you go like this, I've missed one. So the line should touch all the blocks. Then you can see if your calibration is well. And as you can see, I'm very bad in it because I'm not directly in front of the phone. I'm behind the phone and do it. You know what I mean. So I have to concentrate here. Yes, I did it. You go back automatically after you've done that. Let's go to the speaker. Seems to be okay. Let's go to the sub keys. Okay, they work. Double tap to come back. And let's go to the front cam. You know now how I work. So also the LED light is on. The highlight is okay. Don't know what's about. And black, yes, the screen is totally black, so you can see some problems here if maybe the display runs out or something like this, the liquids. And yeah, we don't come back. Come back with the power button. Okay, I think that was nice, huh? So the test mode is very interesting. You should try that with your phone. Let's go back, double tap again to go back into the dialing mode. Let's go now to the service mode. Star hash 0011 hash. Okay, we are now in service mode and so on. It's more for the developers and the guys who repair that phone. Okay, let's go now to the battery status. So star hash 0228 hash. So now we have the battery status. We see the level of charging, and we see also the used blocks, and we should see also somewhere the temperature. No, we don't see the temperature. That is not bad. Yeah, but nice to know, no? So very important, don't do the quick start here because you can have problems may after with the operating system of your phone, and we don't want that, so don't go on quick start. So just go back with the arrow here, and we are back. Let us check the firmware at the last point, star hash 2663 and hash. Okay, that's the last firmware here. You can refresh the Wi-Fi version and so on. And yeah, that's it. Go back with arrow here. Yeah, I hope you liked this video. Would be a pleasure if you can give me a thumbs up or maybe a nice comment. Would be very, very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be a big pleasure to see you again here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and maybe until next time.